Hello everyone. Today's my challenge is about chickens and rabbits in a farm. This is a classic type of questions to train people's mathematical skills. Okay, in a farm there are chickens and rabbits. Here I want to emphasize they are all normal ones. That means each chicken has got one head and two legs, and each rabbit has got one head and four legs. After counting, I find they have 976 heads and 2,862 legs in total. Here is the question: how many chickens and how many rabbits are there in this farm? This question should not be too hard, and hopefully you can solve it fairly shortly. You can pause this video at this point, and then we come back for the answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answer together. If there are small numbers of heads and legs, maybe you can use try and arrow to solve it. However, if we are talking about hundreds or thousands of them, you will see it won't work well. Actually, this type of question is a perfect example for us to use so-called simultaneous linear equations to solve. Firstly, we can set the number of chickens as x and the number of rabbits as y. And based on the description of the question, we can build up two equations. Firstly, because each chicken has got one head and each rabbit has got one head, and x plus y is equal to 976. This is the total number of heads. And because each chicken has got two legs, 2x is the total number of legs from chickens. And because each rabbit has got four legs, and 4y is the total number of legs from rabbits. So 2x plus 4y is equal to 2,862, which is the total number of legs in this farm. So this is our second equation. The basic strategy to solve simultaneous equations is to remove one of the unknowns. After we have solved the other one, we can go back to calculate the first one. So here, if you want, you can move x from the left side to the right side, so y is equal to 976 minus x. And then you can use this 976 minus x in the brackets to replace this y, multiply 4 plus 2x is equal to 2,862. And then you can calculate the x value. However, for this particular simultaneous equations, it is far easier for us to use subtraction method to solve it. So firstly, for the equation 1, we can use 2 to multiply both left and right sides. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 1,952. And there is a basic rule in mathematics. For example, if A is equal to B and C is equal to D, and if we subtract the left side, A minus C, and if we subtract the right side, B minus D, and A minus C must be equal to B minus D. And here we can use the second equation to minus first one, because on the left side, both of them have got this 2x. By the subtraction, this 2x can be cancelled out. Okay, so second equation minus first equation, you will get 2y is equal to 910, and y is equal to 455. And because from the first equation, x plus y is equal to 976. Here, x is equal to 976 minus y, 976 minus 455, and is equal to 521. So here is the answer. There are 521 chickens and 455 rabbits in this farm. So as you can see, the simultaneous linear equations are the best approach to solve this question. By using this method, even there are millions of heads and legs, it won't take too much time to solve this question. Okay, thank you very much.